6255. Which statement is true concerning ASOS/AWOS weather reporting systems? A. Each AWS station is part of a nationwide network of weather reporting stations. B. ASOS locations perform weather-observing functions necessary to generate METAR reports. C. Both ASOS and AWS have the capability of reporting density altitude, as long as it exceeds the airport elevation by more than 1,000 feet. The correct answer is B. ASOS, Automated Surface Observing System, and AWS, Automated Weather Observing System, are automated weather reporting systems used at airports and other locations. ASOS locations are equipped with sensors and instruments that collect various meteorological data, such as temperature, humidity, wind speed and direction, visibility, cloud cover, and precipitation. These systems perform the necessary weather-observing functions to generate METAR, Meteorological Aerodrome reports. METAR reports provide standardized weather information in a specific format used by pilots, meteorologists, and aviation personnel. Therefore, the correct statement is that ASOS locations perform weather-observing functions necessary to generate METAR reports. 6262-1. Which primary source should be used to obtain forecast weather information at your destination for the planned ETA? A. Winds aloft chart. B. Weather depiction charts. C. Terminal Aerodrome Forecast, TAF. The correct answer is C. To obtain forecast weather information at your destination for the planned estimated time of arrival, ETA, the primary source to consult is the Terminal Aerodrome Forecast, TAF. The TAF provides detailed weather forecasts specifically tailored for individual airports or aerodromes. It includes information such as wind conditions, visibility, cloud cover, and expected changes in weather conditions over a specified period. The TAF is specifically designed to assist pilots and aviation personnel in making informed decisions regarding flight planning and operations. It covers a time frame typically ranging from 24 to 30 hours and provides forecasted weather conditions for the specific airport or aerodrome. By consulting the TAF for your destination, you can gather crucial information about the expected weather conditions around your planned ETA. This will help you assess the feasibility of the flight, anticipate any potential weather-related challenges, and plan accordingly for a safe and efficient arrival. 7327. When the visibility is greater than 6 sm on a TAF, it is expressed as A. 6 psm, B. P6 sm, C. 6 SMP. The correct answer is B. When the visibility is greater than 6 statute miles, sm, on a Terminal Aerodrome Forecast, TAF, it is expressed as P6 sm. In aviation weather reports, visibility is a crucial parameter that indicates the distance at which objects can be seen from a particular location. The visibility value is typically given in statute miles, sm. When the visibility exceeds 6 statute miles and is not limited to a specific value, the notation P6 sm is used. The P in P6 sm stands for plus, indicating that the visibility is above the specified value. In this case, it signifies that the visibility is greater than 6 statute miles. By using P6 sm, meteorologists and forecasters inform pilots that the visibility conditions at the specified location are favorable and extend beyond 6 statute miles. It suggests that there are no significant visibility restrictions anticipated, allowing for relatively clear visibility during flight operations. Understanding this notation is crucial for pilots as it helps them assess the overall visibility conditions and plan their flights accordingly. When the TAF indicates P6 sm, pilots can anticipate good visibility and plan their navigation and approach procedures with confidence. 7328. What is the wind shear forecast in the following TAF? TAF KCVG2 31051Z 2312121201 KT 4 SM. RABR OVC 008 WS 005/27050 KT Tempo 1719-1/2 SM RAFG FM 1930-0901-2 KT ISM DZBR VV003 Beckn 2021 5 SM Hertz equals A. 5 feet AGL from 2700 at 50 Ki. B. 50 feet AGL from 2700 at 50 KT. C. 500 feet AGL from 2700 at 50 KT. The correct answer is C. In the given TAF, Terminal Aerodrome Forecast, for KCVG, Cincinnati/Northern Kentucky International Airport, the wind shear forecast is expressed as WS 005/27050 KT. The wind shear forecast provides information about changes in wind speed and direction at different altitudes, which can be crucial for flight operations and safety. In this TAF, the wind shear forecast indicates the presence of wind shear at a specific altitude. Breaking down the notation WS 005/27050 KT, it can be interpreted as follows. WS stands for wind shear. 005 refers to the altitude above ground level, AGL, at which the wind shear is forecasted. In this case, it is 500 feet AGL. 27050 KT indicates the wind shear direction and speed. It means that at the altitude of 500 feet AGL, the wind shear is expected to be from 270 degrees at 50 knots. The wind shear forecast in the given TAF is 500 feet AGL from 270 degrees at 50 knots. Pilots should pay close attention to wind shear forecasts as they represent abrupt changes in wind conditions and can pose challenges during takeoff, landing, and low-level flight operations. 6276, which in-flight advisory would contain information on severe icing. A. PIREP. B. SIGMET. C. Convective SIGMET. The correct answer is B. SIGMET, Significant Meteorological Information, is an in-flight advisory that provides information about significant weather phenomena that could affect the safety of aircraft operations. It is issued by meteorological authorities to alert pilots to potentially hazardous conditions. When it comes to severe icing, SIGMETs play a crucial role in conveying this information to pilots. Severe icing refers to the presence of icing conditions that can significantly impact the performance and safety of an aircraft. It typically occurs when supercooled water droplets freeze upon contact with an aircraft in flight. When severe icing is reported or forecasted within a specific area, a SIGMET will be issued to notify pilots about the potential danger. The SIGMET will provide details such as the location, extent, and intensity of the severe icing conditions. It may also include information on the altitude range affected by the icing and the duration of the forecasted conditions. Pilots rely on SIGMETs to make informed decisions regarding flight routes and altitudes, taking into account the severe icing conditions and taking appropriate measures to mitigate the associated risks. By providing timely and accurate information, SIGMETs help pilots avoid areas of severe icing and ensure the safety of their flights. Therefore, if a pilot needs information specifically about severe icing, they should refer to the SIGMET advisory, as it contains detailed and official reports on severe icing conditions within a given airspace or region.